Today we're going to have a quick look at the psychological effects the globe Earth theory has on grown adults.
If I say demonstrable realist, I'm pretty sure that you all know who I am referring to. Yes, it's that tower crane operator whom we all have to bear with because, as he so truthfully says, he's got very basic understanding. One of his key points has
Oh, vicious. Vicious. You're off to a flying start. Cartoons, insults, and misrepresentations. I'm not a flat earther, and yet you've got a space rocket flying around your cartoon with a banner saying flat earthers
always been
are idiots. It's not very nice, is it?
that tower cranes should not be able to be still if the Earth is spinning 1,000 miles per hour.
Well, that's not entirely true. My claim is tower cranes would not have the ability to be dead still and plumb if the Earth was a ball with its four different speed vectors going on at the same time, like the globe Earth theorists suggest. And of course, there's no demonstrations to suggest the globe Earth theory is anything but a theory. That is, unless, of course, you're going to cite something physical that's going to blow us all away.
These are his words, not mine, as we all know that rotation is not measured in linear speed. So
Who cares how many times a day your ball supposedly rotates? All I'm interested in physical demonstrations that back the claim. That's it.
question is, can a tower crane be still on a rotating planet? Let's have a look. In this animation, we have the Earth with an unusually large crane standing somewhere in England. Suspended from the crane is a wrecking ball. The green arrow shows the direction of pull caused by gravity. Now, if we set the Earth in motion, we see that the ball is jerked because of a force being suddenly applied. As the Earth keeps on rotating, the wrecking ball slowly starts to find its equilibrium.
You're going to have to excuse my French here. But this is how fucked society is now because of the globe Earth theory. Our friend here is citing a cartoon demonstration as evidence for his physically impossible globe Earth. Think about this. I'm a demonstrable realist. I'm backed up by every physical demonstration on Earth. And our mate here is citing a fucking cartoon demonstration as proof that reality is wrong. This is what the globe Earth theory has done to people. Scary.
While building up inertia. So, if we suddenly stop the motion of the Earth, we see another jerk, but this time in the opposite direction.
Blah, blah, blah. Where's your physical demonstration, cartoon boy?
So, this demonstrable animation shows that cranes in fact
Demonstrable animation. Stop it.
are not bothered by Earth's constant rotation. But we can already hear the screaming from Leo and his fellow idiots that this is just CGI and not reality.
Well, it's exactly it. It's a cartoon that's not backed up by any physicality. And that's the whole point. Look at society now. It thinks it stands on the good side of things because it's been told something. But when you ask for a physical demonstration to back up what we've all been told, you get a cartoon.
Let's do a different experiment. If I drop a handful of Lego bricks, they all seem to bounce around, performing all sorts of physics. We can observe stuff like inertia, friction, collisions, and whatnot. But before I even let go of the Lego bricks, you had a pretty good idea of what was about to happen, because this is just reality on display. Or so you think. Because these Lego bricks were created entirely by mathematical formulas. This was rendered using the bullet physics engine, and let me assure you that nowhere in the code, will you find any relative density disequilibrium formulas?
Not my claim, young man. I'm a demonstrable realist. I do not make claims like that. So we've had cartoons, we've had insults, we've had cartoon rockets with banners with insults on it, we've had misrepresentations. And what we really wanted was a physical demonstration. What did we get? A cartoon. I'll give you a real demonstration. Bear with me. So this is a practical demonstration done by a globe-believing pilot as he tried to prove his belief system with a real physical demonstration. Fair play for having a go. Obviously the results didn't favour his belief system. As you can see, the pendulum is deviating from the plumb. Just like reality, just like you can test for yourself. And of course these results prove without a shadow of a doubt the Earth's not a spinning, wobbling, oscillating ball. You certainly couldn't have tower cranes upside down on the other side of the Earth in relation to you, held there, spinning and wobbling and oscillating. The globe believers now will shout gravity as their last dying saviour. The problem is, gravity in the way, I don't believe the heliocentric story is attached to the way reality presents itself to us, but I use the word gravity. Gravity can be overcome by a gentle breeze. Therefore, demonstrably, it's not man enough to make the globe earth theory a reality. I'm sorry if these demonstrable simplistic truths trouble you. Don't blame me. Blame the education system and the people that are continuing to try to tell you that reality is exactly the opposite to what can be tested and verified by all. Look what this globe earth theory has done to society. We've got grown adults now citing cartoon demonstrations of proof of their bizarre belief system. And they're putting aside the fact that we can test and verify with real physical demonstrations, not cartoons, that the belief system we've all been taught, the globe, is utter nonsense. Have a good one, everyone.